What's going on, guys? So back at you guys with another video. As you can see here, we have a rear windshield visor about to install.
It's nothing crazy.
Yeah,
it's not the best thing in the world, but
just something aesthetically, nice to put on a car. Different.
It goes
something I wanted to try.
Somewhere about right there.
Yep.
So that's what it's gonna look like. Rough looking. That's what it should look like right there.
So we're gonna get that installed for you guys, so you guys can check it out. Actually, it goes with the door ones too. So yeah, we're gonna get that installed, and then we'll be back. As far as you guys, for everybody that want to know, it has the 3M tape on it. What I did with mine, I put extra 3M tape.
Yep.
I bought
right
from
as you guys can see,
bought from O'Reilly's or AutoZone, wherever you want to go to, you can get extra 3M tape, and I put it on there just to make it, stronger, so it doesn't, a lot of people online say these visors, they get blown off at a certain mile per hour or speed or whatever you're going, it'll take them off, but I haven't had any issues with the window ones, so I just put an extra layer of 3M tape on it. But yeah, we'll show you guys after we get it on what it looks like. All right, guys, so we're back. This is what it looks like, finished product right now.
It was a pain in the freaking butt. That's for sure.
It was cheap, so you
know
get what you
cheap, yeah.
You get what you pay for.
I would say some Brandon, but
we were fighting with it because when you put this side on,
yep,
that side would pop up.
Yep.
Put that side on, this side would pop up.
Yep.
So we were having issues with it, and being a pain in the ass.
I'm gonna call
But
it right now. The first job you drive, this thing's going flying.
if it goes, it goes. I don't care.
Really,
I really don't care right now. If it goes, it goes. But
tired of being negative, man. So you spend money on shit.
What I did was, like I said, I went and got some extra tape from O'Reilly's so I could put it on there. So I added extra 3M layer on this side, extra 3M layer on the other side.
Well, it wasn't just extra.
So
You put a whole half a roll on this side.
just so it would sit, it would stick. I did it with these ones too. And they're sitting pretty, I have no issues with them.
Yep.
They're not gone yet, 70, 80 miles per hour. People lose theirs at freaking 30 miles per hour, they said online. So these, it's still there. The top piece?
Yep.
No, I don't want that. That's corny. I don't want to do that.
Hey, that's a full set.
No, I don't want to do that.
No.
If anything I'm going to do, lift it up. What I would do is get the diffuser. But I already got a lip, so there's no point in getting the diffuser. So I'm going to leave it alone.
The cut bumper and put a diffuser on the cut one?
I'm not going to do it to this car. I would say we would do it with that one.
Yeah.
That one is more going to be a track car, so that would look cooler on that car. Take that bumper off, put the cut bumper with the diffuser on it, and all that. That would be dope.
Yep.
But this, pretty much aesthetic things is what we're going for. I got to take the car and get it cleared. I'm going to re-clear it.
There's little things and
little
defects.
stuff that, it happens. Yeah. The paint is under warranty, so they're going to cover all the issues that I've had with it. It came out beautiful, not going to lie. Just has a couple issues. We're going to go over and fix it. Paint match the side skirts.
Yep. Raise the car.
There's another thing that I want you guys to tell me in the comments. Yep. I asked about the side skirts. You guys, my cousin told me to paint the side skirt and the lip and everything black, but it was too late. I already painted it. Right now, the next thing I'm going to ask you guys, tail light. Thinking about going all clear tail lights.
2 things we need to ask. 2 things.
Thinking about going with the, what they call it, the Euro style?
The Euro look.
The Euro look with the all clear.
I think it's complete ass. I'm just going to say that. I think it's complete butt cheeks. I hate it.
He thinks it's corny.
I like how factory looks. I like that. Stanley, is that what it's called?
Yes.
Stanley, I love that. The factory look on the car looks perfect. Factory color, factory lights. Just leave certain things that makes the value of the car a little bit.
I'm not getting rid of these.
I'm not saying get rid of them, but you're driving around with a booty
what,
cheek looking
what I'm
thing.
saying is, I just want to know, how would you guys feel about putting
Clear light.
Euro lights on your car?
I mean, you can look at how it looks right here. This is how it would look. At the bottom, how this looks. That's how it's gonna
Well,
look.
if anybody knows what Euro lights
that's
is,
what it
that's
would be.
gonna
It's
be.
like
It's
a
gonna
clear
be
look
all
like that.
all clear.
Yeah.
So
I think it's butt cheeks, but hey, who am I to judge? The next thing is, my brother says he wants to upgrade the brakes. He wants to upgrade just the fronts. I think he should upgrade all four.
not worried
That's
about
the
that
thing.
right now. That's another move,
Why
bro.
would
You
we-
rushing things.
Why would we only
Next year,
buy
that's the
upgrade for the
thing.
front?
Next year, that's the move. Go disc in the rear. That's another move. That's the top of the years type thing. I'm not gonna rush everything right now. I want to, yes, convert the rear to disc.
Yep.
I'll do it, but it's not right now. That's not what I'm focused on. I'm not thinking about doing that right now. Right now, there's a lot more things that I'm trying to do. Get the outside done. I want to get seats. I don't know what seats I'm gonna go for. The Bride, Energy, whatever status, whatever seat I'm trying to go with right now. Still trying to finish the suspension on here because I gotta get the front swapped out because I didn't put the BC fronts in yet. We put them on, took them back off. So I still gotta finish that off. Gotta lift the rear up because it's
Terrible.
dragging.
Terrible.
I had to take all the shield for the exhaust off the car because
Terrible.
it destroyed it.
Terrible.
So took that off. It's hitting the downpipe right now.
Terrible.
It's but it comes with it. It comes
It
with
doesn't
it.
come
It
with it.
comes
It's
with
terrible.
it. If you are trying to get your car,
Terrible.
it comes with it.
Terrible.
But at the end of the day, right now, my goal,
What's the
I'm
look
gonna
clean and
raise,
look
I'm
good
gonna
at the same time?
raise the back up, not too much. Still gonna tuck it, but I'm gonna raise the back up some.
This is my thing,
Need to
guys.
swap
This is
the-
my thing.
oh
This-
my
this is what I
gosh.
want. I want the car to be fender to tire. You can't put your hands between the.
That's how it was before.
I like that. That's how I. If you wanted a lower car, that's my look. I'm the type that I don't do this. I'm old, man. I like purpose. I like purpose over stupidity. Why you tearing your car up, man? Why you tearing your car up?
I'm gonna lift it up probably about an inch. Keep in mind, since you guys seen this car, we've lifted up.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Believe it or not,
Oh yeah.
we've lifted this car up,
Yep.
and it's still these BC man. I'm
Yep.
telling you,
Yep.
woo. But yeah, you got to go
Terrible.
back up again,
Terrible.
and we got to adjust the rebound because,
Terrible.
boy, I'm telling you.
Terrible.
But besides that, got to change the front out. So, got to put my MPC drop forks in.
Yep.
It's gonna be a lot of adjusting to go through with the front too.
More work. in the
Got to
engine
come back.
bay.
Yeah, got to do. I got a lot of stuff that need to be done, guys. There's still a lot that we got to do. So, like, subscribe,
There's
share.
always
We got
gonna
a
be
lot of
content on
videos,
content. Man.
It might not come out when you want it to come out because I just had a baby and
Yep.
got to
working
work. We got to work.
Ridiculous.
All these things, but I appreciate you guys liking the videos. I appreciate you guys watching the videos.
Yep. Share the videos.
Share
man.
the videos.
Share it. Love it.
Comment,
Everything.
like it. Appreciate it, you guys. Until next time, catch you later, man.
Peace.